We have all been there. You have a great idea for a smart home project, but you quickly get bogged down by finding the right controller that actually supports wireless protocols without being overpriced. Instead of overcomplicating things, many developers turn to standard development boards. Today, we are looking at the Astarton ESP32 DevKitC, which acts as a central hub for various IoT applications. Do not treat this as the only answer. Compare it with similar products and look for the best balance between usefulness, price, and verified details. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. The main advantage here is the inclusion of both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity right out of the box. This is perfect if you want to push sensor data to a server or control your hardware directly from your phone. This board utilizes the ESP32 WROM module, which is well documented in the maker community. Because it is so popular, finding code libraries and tutorials to get your first project running is relatively straightforward. Whether you are logging environmental data, creating a smart light switch, or building a small robot, this board provides enough I/O pins to handle most hobbyist sensors and actuators effectively. Check size, compatibility, selected variant, visible material or design details, and usage conditions. These small checks often prevent the wrong purchase. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. When you look at this board, you will notice different suffix options like 32D or 32U. These indicate different antenna designs, so be sure to check which one suits your specific mounting requirements. The listed price is $5.90, but final cost can change with variant, tax, promotion, stock, and shipping. Confirm the current checkout details before ordering. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Currently, these boards are often found at a significant discount compared to their original pricing. It is one of those components that is affordable enough to keep a few spares in your parts bin. Before you click buy, make sure to check the seller's recent feedback and confirm that the version they are shipping is the one you need for your specific project layout. It may make sense if you are comparing options related to active components and want something practical enough to fit your routine or setup. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. With hundreds of units already in the hands of other makers, this board has a solid track record for consistent performance in standard prototyping environments. Before treating Astarton ESP32 DevKitC Core Board ESP32 as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. If you are looking for a reliable, no-nonsense board to start your next connected build, this is worth checking out. It is a simple, effective tool that removes the friction from getting your ideas online.